Hey foodies! Today we're making a sweet and spicy twist, mango paratha. Let's go! In a bowl, add wheat flour, a pinch of salt, chili flakes, cumin powder, a spoon of coconut milk powder, and a dash of turmeric for color. Now blend some ripened mangoes into a smooth puree, no water needed. Add that mango puree straight into the flour mix and knead it into a soft dough. The mango does all the magic here. Now roll out your parathas and cook them on a hot pan with ghee until golden and crispy. The smell? Absolutely divine. Let's make a quick mango raita. Just mix yogurt, a little sugar, and some diced ripened mangoes. So refreshing. And that's it, crispy, soft mango parathas with sweet mango raita. Perfect for breakfast or a tropical twist at lunch. If you loved this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more yummy bites. Thanks for watching.